Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, and today we're going to look at bizarre dental images and videos. Before we get started, please click that subscribe button and the bell for notifications about new videos. First, we have this incredible dental cleaning video. This person could seriously use some whitening pens. We'll put an Amazon link below to my favorite pens for teeth whitening. Stick around because I'll show you more about them at the end of the video. Here's my favorite dental image. It has to be Photoshop or some sort of special effects makeup. What do you think it is? Midwest Dental restored this person's smile. Why do I think they're not going to take care of their new teeth? Midwest Dental did a great job, so throw them a like. Here's an up-close dental cleaning video. Remember folks, toothpaste is your friend. And this man is missing his lingual frenulum. That's the mucous membrane that holds your tongue down. Without that anchor, you can do some really neat tricks. So there you go, folks. Here are a couple final dental clips. Thanks for watching.
Hey folks, if you want to whiten your teeth but you want something convenient, gentle, and doesn't cost an arm and a leg, then check out these whitening pens. They make a perfect gift. We'll put an Amazon link in the description below.